what's up, Stellar XLM holders? Welcome back to another video. This is your brother and you're watching ABS Tech channel, my friends. So, finally friends, in this video we are talking about the Stellar Lumens coin, what's going on in the XLM. In this video I'm present with the latest update of the XLM. Sorry for my English is weak, but I trying to improve my English with the day by day, my friends. Like a Stellar XLM, day by day jumping, and same like that is my English, going day by day up. But you have to hold, my friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's see the latest update of the XLM. What's going on in this channel in the XLM? Let's discuss the what is the next move of XLM. What is the continued move of the XLM? And is XLM will give us profit or loss? Let's see, my friends. But remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Please, my friends, your support is very important for me. Please, if you listen my voice, if you listen my videos, so please don't ignore and please subscribe now, my friends. Anyways, now at this time, if we look the latest price of the Stellar XLM, 0.42199 USD dollar is the latest price of the Stellar XLM. Let me show you, friends, the price of the XLM. You can see it, 0.42199 USD dollar is the latest price of the XLM. On the other side, if you look the price changes over in the XLM, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. So now at this time, as I told you, my friends, in my previous videos, that the huge pump of the XLM are coming soon in the start of June. And you know what? Today is the 1st June, and I'm right. Once again, I'm right that XLM take a jump on the 1st June. You can see here that the last 1 day pricing is positive, so that's mean that XLM take a jump on the 1st June. So I'm right, as I told you in my previous videos. So now you can see at this time the XLM are going very good, going positive. So my friends, I hope that they will continue this kind of move throughout this whole year. So we satisfied with the XLM. We are very happy with the XLM if XLM continue this type of to move for a long time, my friends. Very soon we are in the moon. That is my prediction about XLM. That's it. Anyways, what is your personal experience? What is your personal prediction about XLM? Please share in the comment box. And I suggest for everyone it's time to hold, not to see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.